Hello everyone, let's discuss problem number 30. The following statement is written here. We have to tell which of the option correctly describes it. Okay, so let's see the solution. We'll make two columns P and Q for all possible combinations, like true, false, false, true, and false, false. Right? And we'll try to solve this question step by step. So taking the big bracket first we'll find P implies Q, right? P implies Q. It would be true, false, true, and true. Okay. Next, we need to find negation P implies Q. Negation P would mean that the values of P would be inverted. False, false, true, true. Right? So let's see. We'll make this F T T, and it would be negation, right? Sorry for the handwriting. Anyhow, you get it. So negation P, considering these values now, false true would be true, false false would be true, true true would be true, true false would be false, right? Yeah. Now uh, now we use this column, that is P, we name it as R. Okay, R, and implies Q, that would be this. Let's call this S. Now we have to find R implies S, right? So true would be true, true false would be false, true would be true, and false would be true, right? The problem is solved till here. Now what we have to do is, as per the question, we need to find the question. We call this one as A, okay, and call the answer to this as B. So as per the question, we need to find A implies B. Now we can see that all these values would be true, right? Hence, when all the values of a statement in all conditions is true, it is always called as a tautology. Hence, the option 4 is correct.